Please state your first name.
My name's Carrie.
And when did you start receiving treatment, Carrie?
Around the end of May, I believe May 24th.
And what type of treatment have you been receiving?
So, first of all, I've been receiving the stim. One of the first things on my first visit, they replaced an at-home TENS unit I bought over the counter with a more medical, better TENS unit. I've been receiving injections in my neck and shoulder. I've received like some light physical therapy work and with neck adjustment and bands, and I've also received chiropractor adjustments.
And when did you start seeing your results?
So I started seeing results the first week, especially with the injections and the new TENS unit. I definitely feel like those trigger points in my shoulder and neck were definitely being addressed immediately, and it was really relieving the pain I had.
So how do you feel now?
I feel significantly better than when I first started treatment. When I first came in, the pain was very bad. I had limited movement, and it was actually causing me a lot of stress, and it was this vicious cycle. Now I feel a lot more better. Sorry, but I feel better, like on a scale of like 2 out of 10, 2 to 3.
Great. So what are you able to do now that you weren't able to do before?
I feel like I have a lot more control over my posture, and I'm a lot more aware of that. So I feel like I'm able to have more control of my posture, like keeping my shoulders back. I also feel like I have a lot more movement in my jaw area because the tension was so bad. I actually had TMJ, and I feel like it's not completely gone because of the jaw, but I feel like it's significantly better. Like I can actually open my mouth a lot wider than from a couple weeks ago.
And would you recommend Lyceum Physical Medicine to others having similar issues?
Definitely. I really like the all-around approach, right? I listed 4 different ways to address this issue, and a lot of that, I feel like it's a combination of all those efforts, and that's what I really liked about this place, and I kept going to this place. When Philadelphia is a medical hub, you can go anywhere, and I went here because of this approach.
Thank you so much.
All right.